Welcome back to KidArt Adventures, where every day is full of creativity and fun. Today, our friends are about to discover the magic of patterns and a little bit of chaos. In the colorful KidArt studio, Franklyn, Lizzy, and Dad are setting up for an art day when Yelly has a big idea.
Look, Lizzy! Stripes and spots make everything cooler. These look like polka dots.
Patterns are everywhere. Dots, zigzags, swirls. I like them all.
Patterns make art feel alive. Let's see what you can create. Some swirls or dots.
I can make red, red, blue, red, red, blue. What do you guys think?
I'll go squish, squash, swish, squash.
Wait! I've got the best idea ever! A pattern party dance.
Yelly steps forward with a sparkle in her cap. She's ready to turn patterns into a dance everyone can follow.
Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, wiggle, wiggle, repeat. That's our pattern beat.
Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, wiggle, wiggle.
I'm wiggling too much. Help!
Oops! I made a polka dot floor pattern.
The pattern party gets a little wild, but the fun keeps growing.
Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh no, too many patterns at once. Stripes here, zigzags there, polka dots everywhere.
It's not a panic. It's a pattern party explosion. This is so much fun.
Hey, Lizzy, Blue, and Reddy! Let's put them together to make one giant masterpiece.
With teamwork, they bring all the patterns into one colorful mural. Stripes, dots, zigzags, and swirls. A celebration of creativity. Franklyn and Yelly add swirls and zigzags. Wow! Doesn't that look awesome? All those patterns are coming together for a creative masterpiece.
Patterns make life playful, and today, you made art and music together.
Now it's your turn at home. Try the pattern dance with us.
Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, wiggle, wiggle. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, wiggle, wiggle.
Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, wiggle, wiggle. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, wiggle, wiggle.
Join the pattern dance challenge and share your fun moves. And don't forget,
Like and subscribe for more KidArt fun.